Hello, tutor and partners. I'm Juliet Valencia. I am in a semester of English Bachelor degree, and in this opportunity, I want to do a little presentation about the course Advanced English 1 and talk about my goals in this course. So, first of all, I want to do a little description. So, this course has or is composed by two parts, the theoretical and the practical part. Also, this course is composed by 144 hours of academic work, which are divided in 108 hours of individual work and 36 hours of tutoring support. Also, during the development of this course, we are gonna see 3 units. The first unit is called also understanding. In this unit, we are gonna do some exercise based in controversial readings and videos. In the second unit is called writing. We are gonna write some essays and reports. And the third unit is called speaking. In that unit, we are gonna speak with fluency about familiar context and providing the points of view. So these are the units that we are gonna see. And also, during this course, we are gonna develop some competence. For example, we are gonna develop the linguistic competence. For example, we are gonna develop that competence in the third unit, because in that unit we are gonna speak about context, familiar context. We are gonna develop the social linguistic competence, because the idea is to interact with our partners. So we are gonna develop this competence too, and the pragmatic competence. Other general competence that we are gonna develop during this course are to carry out the procedures, to discover otherness, it refers to other cultures, language, people, etc., and to know how to handle documentation, like manipulate a dictionary, computer, or audiovisual materials. Also, I want to talk a little about how the topics of the course are going to help me to improve my English level. So, throughout the practice, the idea is that through the development of this course, and like we could see in the units, we are gonna practice the different skills for learn a language. So, for example, during this course, we are gonna practice the 4 skills. So the idea is to improve my English level to the practice of that 4 skills. We are gonna, for example, to practice reading through the reading of different contemporary materials. We are gonna practice the writing and grammar through the write of essays and report. That is the thing that we are gonna do in the unit 2. We are gonna practice speaking and listening in the last unit, because we are gonna speak about familiar context. And when you speak with someone, also you have to practice the listening, because you have to be attentive to what the person who is talking with you, what he's talking about. So you are gonna practice the listening part too. For this course, I have some goals. For example, the idea is that at the end of this course, I want to achieve the following goals. I want to improve my pronunciation, improve my fluency, improve my grammar, improve my listening, yes, of course, all the 4 skills, and also gain more confidence to speak in English. Because like we are learning a new language, we could feel a little afraid of what the persons who are listening me are thinking, maybe if I commit some mistakes, so I can be afraid about that. But the idea is that with this course and with the practice of the speaking, I'm gonna gain more confidence to speak in English. So thank you so much for your attention, and until our next opportunity. Goodbye.